Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zapier AI Actions for smarter workflow automation step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Zapier account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Make a Zap button to create a new Zap. Select a trigger app that you want to automate. Choose a specific trigger event from that app. Click on Continue to proceed. Connect your account for the selected trigger app. Test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Once the trigger is set, it's time to add an action. Click on the Add Action button. In the Action step, search for AI in the app directory. Select the desired Zapier AI action you want to use. Next, choose a specific event that corresponds to your workflow needs. Click Continue again to proceed. Connect your account for the Zapier AI action. You may need to set parameters for the AI action. Fill in all necessary fields that apply to your workflow. Test this action to verify it functions as expected. Review the setup by checking both trigger and action steps. If everything looks good, click Turn on Zap to activate it. Your Zapier AI actions are now set up for smarter workflow automation. Monitor your Zap's performance and make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.